Hey guys, welcome back to Informed Gardens. This is the second part of our unboxing of our fruit trees. All right, let's take a look to see what we got. All right, Wes, you ready?
Yeah.
Now open this up.
What's this?
Oh, it's a label. Here we go. Some more sticks. Well, after opening this up, we have our raspberries here and our muscadine.
Can we put that
There you go.
down?
Yeah, let's get these in the ground. All right, so we got the muscadine in, and we've trimmed it down to one long stem here, and it's gonna trail along this wire trellis in both directions. And we're about to put on this cool thing. It's called the Blue X plant shelter. And check this out, we're gonna put it over just like this. This is going to create like a greenhouse effect on this stem, help cut down on the side shoots that are going to grow out. And I'm just going to do it just like this. There we go. This is going to stay all through the growing season. So when you see this in future videos, that's what it is. Put a little dirt to keep it in. All right, so we got everyone in the ground. There's our muscadine. And we got our raspberries in the back. They actually sent us an extra one. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And then we got our blackberries right nearby, our blueberries, and the fig tree. So that is all of our fruit trees. Pretty exciting. What do you think, Jax? All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh, one more thing. How did the plants do with the freeze last night? Happy to report that everyone did make it, but I learned something I want to share with you. Okay, so the plants that were totally blocked from the elements, like the 2 tomatillos, did great. Remember, we had a little glass cube right over the top? They were not touching any air or moisture. They did totally fine. And so did the beans and the basil, mostly. But here's what I learned. The areas where the blanket or sheet touched the plant actually did get some damage because the moisture from the air got on the blanket and the cold air was on the other side of that, so it kind of basically created a little bridge of freezing temperatures onto the plant. So here's what we got, some burn. You see, so here's where the blanket was actually touching the leaf, so see that's a dead little leaf, but overall the plant is okay. I think that will come back. And it got it a little bit worse over here. Some of these little corn, see, it's like how it's a kind of darker color. That kind of top part basically died, but I think it'll be okay. And a little over here too. So these were all spots where the blanket was actually touching the plant. You see? So that's what it looks like. But I'm hoping that these guys will all come back. Most of their leaves are okay, so I think they'll be okay. So there's something to keep in mind. If you're covering up plants, don't let the actual blanket touch the plants. They need to be tented up a little bit further than I had them. All right, there you go, lesson learned. The other option would be to use a material that doesn't absorb water. You could use like a plastic tarp or sheet, plastic piece or something like that. I saw one of our neighbors actually had trash bags over their flowers. Doesn't look very nice, but I guess that does work too. So something else to keep in mind. Okay, that's it. We're done with this video. See you on the next one.